Question number 18. A sample of metal is subjected to a force which increases to a maximum value, force is maximum, and then decreases back to 0. Okay, then the force extension graph for the sample is shown. When the sample contracts, it follows the same force extension curve as it was being stretched. Okay, so when you remove the load, it comes back by the same graph over here. So what is the behavior of the metal between x and y? So until here, F is proportional to x, which means what? It obeys Hooke's law. Okay. But beyond x and y, what's happening? It's not obeying Hooke's law, but at the same time, when you remove the load, it's coming back over here, which means what? Still it is in elastic region only. Okay. So therefore, it has not crossed the elastic region. Of course, the force and extensions may not be proportional, but it is in elastic region. Now let us read what is the option. Okay, so behavior between x and y, both elastic and plastic, incorrect. It's not plastic. Not elastic but not plastic, no. Elastic but not plastic. C is the right answer. Okay, it is not plastic. Plastic means what? It loses its conformation, and when you remove the load, it remains as such only. Right? So it removes as such only. So this might happen somewhere over here. It might happen somewhere over here. So when you remove it, okay, it might come like this over here. So therefore, that is not happening, and hence C is the right answer. Okay.